How to use Widgetable app for beginners. Widgetable app tutorial. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Widgetable app, including how to add widgets, pets, plants, and connect with friends step by step. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Widgetable app on your phone. Once the app opens, you'll see the main interface. Here, the app provides many trending widgets that you can use on both your lock screen and home screen. You'll find animal widgets, plant widgets, social widgets for friends and couples, contact shortcuts, and even a collection of wallpapers. Now, let's start by creating your pet. From the main screen, tap on the Pets option. Here, you can create a cute virtual pet that can appear on your lock screen or home screen. Tap on the Free Egg option to get started. After selecting it, you'll need to wait about 24 hours for the egg to hatch. Once the waiting time is over, your pet will appear, and you can begin taking care of it. Next, go back to the main screen and tap on the Plants section. From here, you can choose and add your own virtual plant to your home or lock screen in the same way. Now you might be wondering where to find all your widgets. To do that, go to the main interface and tap on the Mine icon. Inside this section, lock screen widgets are organized based on shapes, while home screen widgets are grouped by size, such as small, medium, and large. Let's now add a widget or pet to the home screen. Tap on the Install icon next to the widget or pet you want. Then go to your phone's home screen and long press on an empty area. Tap on the plus icon to open widgets. Search for the Widgetable app widgets. Select the one you want and tap Add Widget. After placing it, tap on the widget icon, choose the widget style you prefer, then tap on an empty space and press Done. Your widget will now appear on the home screen. Now let's talk about adding more pets. Go back and tap on the Pets icon again, then select Get More Eggs. You can unlock additional pets once your existing pets reach level 2. The app allows you to collect up to 10 pet eggs. Next, let's see how to add friends. Tap on the Friends icon inside the app. Here, you'll see your Widgetable code, which you can copy or share with friends so they can add you. Once connected, your friends will appear in your friend list. And that's it. Now you know how to fully use the Widgetable app, including widgets, pets, plants, and friend features. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.